There's Oldsmobile Hill right there. And this is Wash 6. These are all our little camps. You can see all the places. You can tell we camp at Wash 6 because we've tracked a lot of times. We don't track every trip, but a lot we do. This is how we navigate Glamis. This is really cool. It's totally free. And I'm going to show you guys how to get this on your iPad or tablet, which I have, Android, and it's also available for iOS. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this on your phone and on your tablet. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to put this stuff on your own phone, okay? Reason is, you might not be in your own car. You might be in somebody else's car, and it's a good idea to have this on your phone. That way you'll know exactly where you're going in case you're headed back to camp or something. It's good to know. And chances are somebody's getting lost. And I'll tell you what, you can look really cool, and you don't even have to tell them you have it. You can just say, yeah, it's over there, and you'll just look cool. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I'm going to show you where to go get it. The whole thing, everything you need to set this up will be in this video. If I miss anything, comment it down below, and I'm going to make sure I either add it in or put it in the description. But this is pretty much everything you need to navigate Glamis. If you're getting an iPad, my friend just called, said he's getting an iPad, and he wants to put it all on there. I said, okay, no problem. It's free. Don't pay for anything, especially if you just want Glamis. If you just want Glamis, this is totally free. It's perfect. But there's other areas. I mean, I have Quartzsite, I have Utah, I have different dune areas. Utah is a different one, but no, I think it still is. It's still the U.S. So they're all on the same app, as far as I know. They're all on my Avenza. So there you have it. This is a good one to have. But if you're just doing Glamis, this is totally free. You can have it on your phone right now. If you're sitting in Glamis, it'll work today. And it tracks you. You just have to make sure your tablet or your iPad or whatever has GPS capabilities. So it has to be able to track GPS without cellular. Okay? So let's get right into it. I got an extra phone here. I'm going to show you guys how I went about getting it. All right, the first thing you're going to do is go to your Play Store. Okay, this is for Android. If you have an iOS, you're going to have to figure that out. So we go to the Play Store. We're going to type in Avenza, Avenza. Okay, you get that typed in. You should be doing this along with your phone right now. So I'm showing you how to put it on your phone first. Then we'll put it on the iPad or the tablet. Okay, you want it on your phone for starters. Install. Okay, it only takes a second. So we're going to get it put on the phone. That way you have it, you can make sure it works, you can test it, the whole deal, and then you can put it on your tablet so you have that when you're out in the dunes. So hang on a second. All right, that only took just a few seconds there. Let's go ahead and got it on. We're going to open that up. We're going to click next, 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 next. Whatever, allow. Library is empty. Okay, so now we know we have that on there. You can sign in, you can do all that if you want. But now let's go out, okay? Now we're going to go Google, and we're going to Google BLM, just BLM, simply. There's the BLM you want, okay? That's the one you want. So you get that. You're going to go to the BLM website. There it is, okay? Then you see up here with this searches, it's going to give you a search bar. Right there, you're going to type Glamis. Glamis. This is so simple. Okay, and then you're going to hit right here. It opens up this. Hit the top one. It says Imperial Sand Dunes Bureau of Land Management. This one down here is all the rules. This one just says Bureau of Land Management. So just go ahead and hit that. That'll take you to the Imperial Sand Dunes page. Okay, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You can read all this if you want. It's good info to know. But as far as getting this on your phone, you're going to want to go all the way to the bottom. There we go. See that? External map. Right there. Okay. You're going to hit external map. That. Open with drive. Download. Click on download. Download. And open file. Open with Avenza Maps. There you go. You open it up. Just let it load up here for a second. So this is going to give you all your waypoints, all the locations for there we go. I tapped it twice, it went. So that's cool. All right, we open it up. While using the app, this is going to give you all your waypoints. So this is basically the small version of what this is. Okay, you see that little arrow down there? This is the little arrow that you're going to hit when you're tracking. So this is the same thing. So let's stay on the phone here. So this here, remind me. Okay, so here you go. Now you're going to hit this a couple of times. My phone, because I'm not on that actual map, so it's not going to locate me. But you're going to hit that, and that's what's going to track you as you're driving. So this you do not need cellular for, and this is going to show all your points, all your different hills. You got Comp Hill, Oldsmobile, Brawley Slide, Lizard Hill, China Wall, the Wall, all this good stuff. Okay, this takes you down to Keyhole. And some of you are going, well, where's the swing set? Well, swing set is right over here. So that's not on there on this map. You know what? It's on Google Maps. So you could go in there and cross-reference and find out where it is. Maybe get the chords. Because you can go into here. You can type in chords. You can put all kinds of stuff in here. So this Avenza Maps is really cool, totally free, simple way for you to have that on your phone. Once you have that, boom, you just go there and you're traveling with somebody. You hit this twice and it'll track you when you're on the map. I'm not on the map. Let's see if it does it here. Nope, currently not on map there either. See, because I'm not actually in Glamis. But this is how you do it. And it only does that Glamis area. All the way out here, the live bombing. All through Gecko Road, all your pads. Okay, here's, we marked a flagpole is out here. You know, when you're driving, you're just hitting buttons. So we ended up marking it as just a P, parking, and that's where you get handicapped. That's the swing set right there. That's my own personal little markings. And here was the old Palapa. Remember the Palapa? That was right there. So these are a lot of our tracks. Here's our China Wall. This is how we know every time we leave our wash if they're heading towards China Wall, because they head out this way. So this thing is really helpful. It tracks like this, follows you as you're driving. Pretty awesome. I hope that helps you guys. So quick recap, go on the BLM website, okay? Type in Glamis. That's going to bring up the Glamis page. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. That's where the download for the maps is. Okay, now you've already got a Venza, so that's on your phone. So you're going to download that map, open it up with a Venza, and boom, you're in for free. That is the cheapest way to navigate Glamis. I'm telling you, it works just fine. You know, you can use your Google Maps too, believe it or not. The Google Maps does work out there. I think it'll kind of memorize where you are a little bit and track you. So that's another way. But hey, they're all free ways to do it, and that's how I like to do things, for cheap. But there you go, guys. I hope that helps out. I hope you found value in this video. A lot of people ask me this, so I thought it's a good thing for me to put out there of what I do. There's thousands of other ways to do it, I'm sure, but that's just what I do. It's worked for me. If you got any questions, put them down in the comments below. And hey, subscribe to the channel. We do all kinds of fun stuff. We go four-wheeling, we go to the desert, we go to Glamis, we go to the river, whatnot. We're into recreational vehicles. So, Sandblast Extreme RV, thanks for watching, and we'll see you out in the sand.